Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV.
Today, we're going to discuss about animal adaptations. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify and describe the different types of animal adaptations such as physical, behavioral, and physiological adaptations, and explain how these help animals survive in their environment. Are you ready? Animals develop adaptations that help them survive and thrive in their habitats. These adaptations can be physical or structural, which means body parts or body coverings. Behavioral, how animals act or behave. And physiological means internal processes inside their bodies. These adaptations help animals get food, protect themselves from danger, and survive in different environments. Physical adaptations, body parts and coverings. Animals have different body parts that help them live and survive in their environment. They help animals find food, protect themselves from enemies, and adjust to changes in their surroundings. Each animal's body is perfectly designed to help it survive where it lives. The shape and size of the beak is a key adaptation among birds. Their beaks are suited to the bird's diet and feeding habits. For example, the Philippine eagle is a carnivore that has developed a strong hooked beak for tearing meat. On the other hand, the Maya bird and pigeon have smaller, softer beaks for eating seeds and grains. Parrots have strong and thick beaks designed for cracking open nuts and fruits. Birds also have hollow bones, which is an adaptation that enables them to fly. These bones make a bird's body lighter, making it easy for birds to fly. Tooth structure is another significant physical adaptation that helps animals efficiently chew their food. Animals with flat teeth are usually herbivores, or those animals that eat plants. Their flat, broad teeth help them grind and chew grass, leaves, and other plant materials. Here are examples of animals with flat teeth: cow, carabao, horse, goat, deer, sheep, rabbit, elephant, Philippine tamarao, and giraffe. On the other hand, animals with sharp and pointed teeth are usually carnivores, or those meat-eating animals. Their teeth are adapted for biting, tearing, and cutting flesh. Here are examples of animals with sharp and pointed teeth: lion, tiger, dog, cat, wolf, fox, shark, crocodile, snake, and eagle. Desert animals have adaptive structures for extreme heat and limited water. For example, camels. Camels store fat in their humps, allowing them to go without food and water for long periods. They also have two rows of thick eyelashes that protect their eyes from sand in the wind, and they can close their nostrils to keep sand out. Their broad leather hoovers are like snowshoes that help them walk on sand without sinking. Aquatic animals have particular adaptations that help them breathe and move in water. Most fishes, such as bangus, tilapia, galunggong, and salmon, have gills that take in dissolved oxygen from water and fins that are used for swimming. Whales and dolphins also use their fins to move in water, but they have blowholes on top of their heads for breathing. Frogs can absorb oxygen from water through their skin, while sharks have streamlined bodies that enable them to swim fast and noses that have specialized sensors that detect electric fields from other fishes or animals, helping them hunt for prey. Aquatic animals that live at the bottom of the ocean have specialized body parts that help them survive the extreme conditions of their habitats. Stingray have eyes on top of their bodies and a mouth underneath. This adaptation allows them to see while swimming along the ocean floor and still search for food in the sun. While lobsters use their claws to crush food and their strong tails to move backward along the ocean floor. The whales, dolphins, sea turtles, and penguins have broad flippers and flat limbs that help them swim easily in the water. Flippers are like human arms that allow aquatic animals to move and steer in water smoothly. Ducks have webbed feet that allow them to paddle in the water. Some animals, such as snakes, have specialized jaws and allow them to eat prey larger than themselves. Snakes can open their mouths both up and down and side to side. Their bottom jaws are not fixed and connected. Instead, stretching muscles hold them together and enabling the jaws to spread wide open. While eagles and tigers have short claws for hunting. Some animals have hard coverings on their feet called hooves. Their hooves provide support and balance on various surfaces, giving them grip and stability while moving. Here are some examples of hoof animals: horse, cow, carabao, goat, sheep, pig, deer, giraffe, and camel. Aside from body parts, animals have different body coverings that protect them and help them survive in their environment. Some have fur or hair to keep them warm. Others have scales, shells, feathers, or skin for protection and movement. These coverings help animals stay safe, find food, and live comfortably in their habitats. Examples are polar bears and seals. They have thick fur and fat called blubber that warm their bodies in freezing temperatures. Armadillos have protective plates on their bodies, while porcupines have sharp quills. Birds have feathers that keep them warm in winter and help them cool down in hot weather. Feathers also help them fly or swim. Amphibians like frogs and salamanders have a smooth and moist skin that helps them breathe through their skin and absorb oxygen from water and air. They need to stay in damp or wet places to keep their skin from drying out. Reptiles such as snakes, lizards, and turtles have dry, scaly skin made of tough scales that protect them from drying out and keep them safe from enemies. Their scales help them live on land, even in hot or dry environments. Insects such as cockroaches have hard coverings that let them squeeze into tiny spaces to find food and shelter. Fishes have overlapping scales that protect their bodies and reduce water resistance while swimming. Many fishes also have a layer of slime and helps them move faster through the water. Some body coverings help animals blend in with their surroundings. This adaptation is called camouflage, a defense tactic that hides an animal's location and movement. It allows prey to avoid predators as well as predators to sneak up on prey. Chameleons can change color to hide from predators, while tigers have vertical stripes that blend in with vegetation, making them less visible to their prey. Meanwhile, skunks have stripes that help them blend in with their surroundings and at the same time serve as warning to predators. Jaguars' spotted fur blends with the double sunlight in the rainforest, helping them stay hidden. Some animals have body coverings that help them mimic other animals. Mimicry is when one animal or object looks very similar to another, even if they are not closely related. This resemblance helps them escape or hide from their predators. Atlas moths are known for the markings on their wings that look like cobra heads. These markings scare away predators such as birds and lizards. Interestingly, cobras live in the same area as these moths. Walking stick bugs can mimic the appearance of sticks, twigs, branches, and leaves in their natural habitat. On the other hand, mantises look like dead, broken, and decaying leaves in color and form, which enhances their camouflage. And the next one is the physiological adaptations. Physiological adaptations refer to the body processes that help organisms survive or reproduce. Cows have a stomach that digests the tough plants they eat, such as grass and hay. The food goes through a unique digestive process in the stomach, which breaks down the food and helps the cow get nutrients and vitamins. While millipedes have their way of protecting themselves, they can curl their bodies into a tight ball to protect their head, legs, and underside. They also secrete a foul-smelling fluid called repugnatorial fluid to drive away predators. Snakes produce venom to protect themselves or scare away predators when they feel threatened. Snakes can also sense heat from other animals at night using infrared detection, which helps them hunt in the dark. Snails secrete a slime that helps them move smoothly across the ground, while crocodiles have internal glands that remove salt from the saltwater animals they feed on. Some animals have strong senses of hearing, smell, or sight. Among these animals are the African elephants, which have thousands of scent receptors in their noses that can detect water, food, and even other animals from far away. These powerful scent receptors of them find resources over long distances. And lastly, the bats use echolocation by sending out sound waves that bounce off objects to find their prey. Behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations refer to the animal's change of actions or behaviors to survive better in their environment. Instinct is an animal's natural ability to respond to stimulus. Here are some examples of animals' instincts. Birds know how to build a nest, and spiders can build a web quickly even if they have never done it before. Another example of instinctive behavior can be seen in a lion hunting for zebras. Living in groups is one of the most important behavioral adaptations. Living together helps animals find food, protect each other from predators, and care for their young. Groups of animals have different names such as herd, family, colony, flock, and pack. Some animal groups have unique names, such as a pod of whales, a school of fish, or a pride of lions. These groups can be big or small. Some groups have hundreds of animals, while others have just a few animals. Animals often move from one place to another depending on the season. This movement is called migration. Migratory birds move from one place to another to find better food sources, warmer climates, and safe areas to raise their young. Most migratory birds migrate to the Philippines from September to March. Examples of this are the kingfisher and barn swallow. Hibernation is an adaptation that helps some animals survive harsh conditions such as extreme cold and lack of food. A hibernating animal goes into a deep sleep or becomes inactive during winter. They stay safe by hiding in dens or burrows. During this time, their heartbeat and breathing slow down, and they live off on stored fat instead of searching for food. Animals such as bears, bats, chipmunks, frogs, snakes, turtles, and groundhogs hibernate in the winter. Animals that sleep during the day and are active at night are called nocturnal animals. Some have night vision, while others have developed strong senses of smell and hearing that are useful when they hunt for food or avoid predators in the dark. Examples of nocturnal animals are owls, bats, raccoons, and foxes. The Philippine forests are home to nocturnal animals such as the tarsier and the Philippine pangolin. Other animals have specialized behaviors that help them find and attract a mate. For example, peacocks show off their bright, colorful tail feathers to attract peahens or female peafowl, while male fireflies flash their lights in patterns to get the attention of females. Once again, animals develop adaptations that help them survive and thrive in their habitats. And these adaptations are physical adaptations, physiological adaptations, and behavioral adaptations. Stay tuned for the second part of our video lesson on animal adaptations. It will have fun activities for you to answer. See you!
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.